Hi folks, this is the semi to the last video. We're waiting for the glass to get in. There will be a door here, 28-inch door, there'll be a panel, and there'll be a glass across the knee wall all the way up 74 inches high. That'll close this in. If you'll remember, there was a wall here all the way up to the ceiling. I had to patch the ceiling, had to patch the wall, and just bring this together here. But today we finished the tub, got the vanity in, got the toilet in, finished the baseboard and quarter round, touched up the door, went ahead and painted the door inside and out, molded all the way around. But appreciate you folks following along. If you know of anyone who needs a remodeling project done around their home or office, you have my permission to give them my information. My phone number is 336-870-6706, and I can be reached at Woody Scarborough on Facebook, WOODYSCARBORO on Facebook, and they can friend me or you can friend me, and I'll respond and we can communicate through that medium. Appreciate you following along, sharing this with your friends, and look forward to next video. Take care.